How to easily screen mirror your phone screen to the monitor with this cable. So I have this cable right here. It is USB-C cable, and the other end is the HDMI cable. So connect your USB-C cable and HDMI cable to the monitor and on the phone. Here on the phone, what you want to do is simply swipe down and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, we then scroll down and tap on connected devices. Here, tap on Samsung DeX, and you can see it's not starting DeX, but when you connect the cables, you can have DeX started, and then after it, you can tap on Exit DeX. Okay, so here on my phone, I have my Samsung DeX connected. So what I'm going to do is I'll tap on Exit DeX, and then my phone now will simply just mirror the phone screen to the monitor, and that's it. So it's easy as that. So you don't have to do anything much, and you can easily swing your phone to the monitor directly with this USB-C cable. And that's it. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.